Nurses Week, i-award namin yung mga natatanging nurses na talagang super nag-improve the whole year. Nakita namin yung improvement nila from the beginning up to now. Nakita namin yung kanilang paghihirap at kanilang mga efforts sa kanilang mga duty every day.
May request nga eh. Hindi niya kapisado. Binilis natin sa ganit eh. Hindi ibilat sa ganit. Ito ayaw pakita-pakantay para magawa natin yung list.
So, awarding this certificate of recognition, Most Improved Nurse, for showing remarkable growth, dedication, and perseverance in the pursuit of nursing excellence. Your continuous improvement in skills, compassion, and professionalism inspires your colleagues and uplifts the quality of patient care. May I call on Ms. Cindy Manzano for being one of the most improved nurse. Tinatawagan ko din ang kanyang head nurse, Ma'am Emma, for awarding this certificate. O si Sir Norby na lang po bilang kanyang senior nurse. Sir Norby! Congratulations, Miss Cindy. And now, for another most improved nurse, for showing remarkable growth, dedication, and perseverance in her duty, may I call on Miss Meryl Tandag. Duty, okay, sa sobrang dedication, duty pa rin siya ngayon. Congratulations, nasa ang kanyang head nurse. Si Ma'am Paula. Ma'am Paula! Ay, just Ma'am Paula. Ma'am Paula! Sir Noki, may I call you here in front together with my co-supervisors, Ma'am Neris and Ma'am Banji, to award the following awardees, special awardees. So one of the most improved nurse, for showing remarkable growth, dedication, and perseverance, I'm awarding this certificate to Mr.
Pero siya muna na.
Pala.
Try natin
Miss Adrian Mendoza.
Paikutin na natin.
Adi, where are you? Woo! Grabe! Isa ka na rin.
Meron ako dyan na.
Andito ba yung hectares niya? Another most improved nurse from the ward naman. Ulit, from the ward ulit.
Doon ata sila guys. Ako.
Awarding this certificate to Miss Micaela Crispino. Andito po ba si Miss Micaela? Judy din. Judy din. Tinatawagan ko ang kanyang dedicated head nurse, Ma'am Aileen Alday.
Malinis po.
Uwi na. Amin na to. Another most improved nurse. Galing ulit sa ward. I'm calling Miss Karen Genugali. Congratulations! Asan ka na?
Tissue right now.
From special area naman, Certificate of Recognition for Most Improved Nurse for showing remarkable growth, dedication, and perseverance in the pursuit of nursing excellence. Awarding this certificate proudly presented to Miss Cheska Lamud of ER Department. Judy, nasa na kanyang head nurse? Uwi na. So, papabigay na lang. Another most improved nurse for 2025. This certificate is proudly presented to Miss Christine Onarte of ICU Department. Most improved nurse from Ligo Bigo Department. Awarding this certificate proudly presented to Miss Charlene Therese Crisostoma. Ang Karen, halika dito! Halika! Halika na! Ayan!
Ito sila doktora. Ayan nga doktora nasa gilid.
From Operating Room Department. Most improved
Pakita mo muna sa
nurse.
kanya na kanong
This certificate is proudly presented to Mr. John Randall Lopez.
ganyan.